it's important to me. I think I do it, but having that commitment that I have now, but God, I beat myself up.
Yes, stop it. Do you think your inner being beats you up?
And, and I've had great things happen, but, I do. I start to take score and I just go, oh, when something good happens, I heard you say, and I've heard Abraham say, it's your inner being is showing you this, is guiding you. And I listen to that guidance and I get something, but I feel weird taking credit for it. And when someone goes, oh, that was a great job, I feel like a fraud. Like I didn't do anything because
Okay.
I guess that's that.
Okay. And do you want to maybe explore that a little bit and explore? Yeah. So, what are we looking to do exactly? Is it clearing the belief of not good enough? Is it clearing the doubt? What do you think is that big piece of resistance that's holding you back?
I think it's that I'm not good enough to, almost like I'm not good at adulting. Okay. I'm real good at, being a kid, but then as an adult, that gives me resistance because that's not how I'm supposed to be.
Okay. So that's an interesting concept. So what does that mean to be not good at adulting?
What does that mean to me? It means I don't have the steady job. I don't have the great income. I feel like I should be further in life. But in the same hand, these past couple of weeks, I felt really good. But there's still just something in there.
Okay.
I don't know.
Okay, so that feeling, we can't even give a label to that feeling right now, right? So if we ask that probing question on that feeling, right? So I feel that way because what pops in your head?
I'm not smart enough.
Okay. So you've got this belief that you're not smart enough.
I do.
0 to 10, how strong is that belief?
Oh, it used to be a 10. It's not a 10 anymore. I'd say a 7 or an 8. 7.
Okay. And I believe that I'm not smart enough because
I don't know what to do. I've never had that single passion to do something. Okay. I feel not smart enough because.
But here's the thing. It's not your job to figure it out. Your only job is to follow your impulses, right? And here's something else on top of that. So, at one point in time, you were sitting around in the non-physical like everybody else. And you were like, you know what? I am going to go down and play in physical reality and go hang out for a lifetime on planet Earth. And your inner being was like, okay, let's do it. And then your inner being and you co-creationally decided exactly who Amy was going to be, exactly what she was going to look like, exactly what her personality was going to be, exactly what her sense of humor was going to be. Every piece of who you are was molded by you and your inner being. Okay? So your inner being and source is infinitely intelligent, yes?
Yes.
Unconditionally loving, yes?
Yes.
They would never make a mistake. Agreed?
I agree. What if I chose to have contrast my whole life?
Well, I mean, we've all chosen that, right? Because we're all experiencing it.
Yes.
But here's the point that I'm getting at.